Hello.
Hello?
Hi, I received a call from this number sometime before.
Yeah, correct. This is Susan called on behalf of
Sorry?
I received your profile for evaluation for FSCO consultant position.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Is this the right time?
Yes, sure.
Okay, actually I've been with you since morning.
Oh,
I've got time.
I'm sorry. My mother is in hospital, so I couldn't pick the time when you called me. Sorry for that. And the one more thing is my phone battery is little down, so probably in between if it is hold, then probably I'll call you back. Is that okay?
You want me to call back?
No. I'm saying if it is broken, then I will give a call from another number. I'm saying.
Oh yeah, fine.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay, just give me a minute, okay?
Yes. Yeah, sure.
I'm just trying to pull your saving.
Yeah.
I see total. What is total years of experience you have?
12 years of experience, madam.
Okay, and in 12 years as an FCO, how many years?
In consultant, 5 years of experience, and rest of into domain experience. In Olam and 2.5 years, and metric solution 2.5 years. In altogether 5 years of consulting experience, madam.
Okay.
Yes.
So, 5 years overall, 12 years, right?
Sorry, madam.
Okay. So, do you have any did you complete any certification in FSCO?
No, not.
Okay.
I trained in metric solution, and I just moved into a consulting role.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So, can you take me through the process of GST configuration?
Sure, madam. GST configuration, it's just give me.
Hello?
அப்பா ஒரு கால்ல இருக்கேன். Yeah. Sorry, madam. Some little disturbance. Just give me. Hello.
Yeah.
Some little disturbance. Just give me.
Okay.
Yes, madam. I'm okay. Hello.
Yeah.
You are asking the GST configuration, madam. So actually, it will start with the. We need to define the condition type. And then we need to create the GL accounts for each condition type, and then need to create the transaction keys in OBCN according to the. We can copy MNWS and VST, the standard ones, and assigning the GL accounts for this in OB40, and we need to create the tax procedure, and then assigning the tax procedure. Then we need to edit the sales revenue GL. That's it. In the sales master.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Those are the steps we need to follow as part of the GST configuration, madam.
Okay.
Yep.
Like, I mean, so you also create taxes sequence, right? How do you do that? That you did not mention.
You mean tax codes?
Uh-huh.
That we need to do it in. I think the T code would be FTXP. We need to do this. Yes, I forget the step.
And how do you update the tax procedure?
Tax procedure that we need to create in T code OB Q3, and after then we need to assign the tax country code for this in I think in OB BG. Hello.
Okay, so how many years of experience do you have in finance, and how many years of experience do you have in controlling area?
I didn't get you properly. Could you please little louder, please?
All right, 1 second. Give me a minute.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so I was asking you how many years of experience you have in finance, and how many years in controlling?
Finance. I mean, if you take volume, it's both FI and CO together. We need to do so. I would say the FI and CO. FI would around 3.5 years, and for CO, I would say 1.5 years.
Okay, how many implementations and how many rollouts or support projects you have done?
One implementation, one rollout project, and 2 support projects, madam. All in ECC 6.
One implementation and one rollout, is it?
Yes.
Which company you are working currently?
I left Olam in September 2009. I am not in job right now.
Okay.
I can join immediately.
Any particular reason you know that?
Actually, there are 2 reasons, madam. One is at the time of September, the project was getting over for China and City where I was working in, and meanwhile, my mother is also sick. She has to be hospitalized for some time. So I was with her for some time. From now onwards, I started looking out for things.
Okay, so the Sundaresh, right?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So do you know what is central finance?
General finance.
Not general. Central finance.
Central finance. This is as part of S4 HANA. I come across. I've done some. I mean, practical experience I do not have in S4 HANA, madam.
Oh, you don't have S4 HANA experience, right?
So yeah, I don't have exposure into S4 HANA.
Okay, so can you tell me what do you mean by product costing and how do we do that?
Product costing. Product costing is a process of product costing is a process of finding out the exact price for the particular product when it is manufactured. We can assign what is the overhead cost and the material price, overhead cost, and other associated cost for the particular product when it comes to when it become a finished product. So the entire process from assigning calculating the prices for the particular product is called is a process of product costing. The steps. I'm sorry, I'm not much have exposure into product costing, madam.
Okay, no problem. So, are you involved in IDOC configuration or interface?
Actually, I did IDOC configuration at the time of the implementation process happened. I did a couple of things at the time of implementation. So it's an intermediate document. It's a transfer between two systems actually, and we can do do this in T code WAE02 and WAE05, and this is created in the client level, and there are inbound IDOC and outbound IDOCs. We work through. It helps to transfer data from legacy system to the SAP system. Even we can use it in the LSMW or I've done this as part of the implementation process, madam.
Right. You probably might have involved in the process where IDOC has already been implemented, but by what I understand from what you're saying is you are not involved in creating a new IDOC process. If the IDOC is not in place, and if you have to configure a new one, then then those steps you have not covered.
Not have a full exposure, but creating a new IDOC is not a big concern for me. I can able to do it in practical.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell me what is asset class and what is the importance? Why do we need to have asset class?
Actually, asset class asset class is a classification of asset. We usually it contains it determines whether what type of asset class it is. We can do it in, I think, in T code OA, and we can segregate whether it is the real-time posting will happen in the asset class or not, and whether it is an AUC asset or not. I mean the asset under creation. This asset, the asset class contains the screen layout, account determination rule, and the number ranges for the assets. Everything will contain the asset class. Based on the asset class only, when creating the new assets, it will classify according to the setup. the asset in this asset class, the account determination is the main. Even in the asset class, we have the depreciation key as well. The account determination also set in the asset class. The account determination is a link between the asset accounting and the FI GL module, madam.
How are the entries posted? Sorry? How are the entries posted?
When we create AS01, we need to choose the asset class. So the asset master will be created according to the asset class.
Okay.
Yep.
So each asset class a particular GL account. So when we procure an asset, it gets automatically posted. It will be debited. That's what I was actually expecting from you.
Yes, madam, you are right. I mean, the asset class contains the account determination where the GL accounts are configured. Like at the time of acquisition, what is the GL account? At the time of depreciation, what GL needs to be done? Even for the special depreciation, normal depreciation, all these GL account is assigned to the account determination. This account determination is linked to the asset class. So asset class contains even the depreciation key, account determination rule, and the screen layout, the number ranges, everything, madam. Based on this asset class only, the type of asset is determined, and the number range, the particular asset number is assigned. Even the screen layout for the AS01 also defined in asset class, madam.
Okay.
I'm giving you the more recent, more information than the words, the sentence you said.
Yeah. Okay, so what is the new GL concept?
New GL actually it is uses for the parallel by new GL covers function that were previously implemented by the uses of separate ledgers like cost of sales ledger, special purpose ledger, the reconciliation ledger, or the profit ledger. The benefits like parallel accounting, segment reporting, document splitting, new tables, the integrated FI and CO reporting are the.
Are you aware of FI and CO integration?
Sorry, madam.
Are you aware of FI and CO integration?
Yes, at the time of implementation, I went through, but I'm sorry I cannot able to explain immediate.
Okay.
Even if you want to know the new GL configuration, we need to activate the new GL first, and then we need to define the segment, the leading and non-leading ledgers, activation of non-leading ledgers, and then we need to assign the scenarios to the ledgers. We need to define the ledger groups. We need to define the currencies of leading ledgers as well, madam. So these are the steps for the new GL. But for the integration between FI CO, I know well, but I'm sorry, not able to explain right now.
Okay, no problem. That's all for now for me, session. So is there anything any questions that you have, anything that you want to know from my side?
Sure, madam. If I got selected, what would be the next process, madam?
If the candidate gets selected in this initial screening, we will have a next screening with the client. Okay, and if the client is okay with the candidate and the knowledge of the candidate, then we will place them in Coimbatore. So would you be okay for Coimbatore?
I'm very much interested, madam. Coimbatore is my, all my relatives are there.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you give me this opportunity, I'll be really thankful to you, madam.
No problem, but I really want to let you know the requirement of this project is to have experience in S/4HANA and also the experience in central finance. So these are the major areas that we are also looking for apart from FSCO knowledge and experience.
Madam, S/4HANA, I can able to manage if any questions come across. I don't have real-time experience. I'm very, honest to say that. But if I come across any questions, definitely I'd be able to manage all the questions, madam. And I'll put my effort and try to clear this, madam. Just consider this. Give me this one opportunity for me.
So, Sudarshan, I will put in all the I have made a note of all the points and I'll share my feedback with the HR.
Yeah.
And okay, we will see what we can do for the next level. Yeah.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah.